look, nowadays, I mean, by the numbers, there's so many people that are getting into trading. Why do you think that is?
Yeah, nowadays it's kind of a wave of new traders coming in. We see statistics is just ramping up all over the place.
Right.
Especially in Southeast Asia, it seems to be having the biggest growth.
Yeah, massive. Yeah.
Massive, absolutely massive. And a big reason is the internet actually sells you that idea that if you join in, you have a shot, where statistics are telling you the exact opposite. And many people are responsible for that. I think YouTube influencers are very responsible for that. And I'm talking, fake Lamborghini gurus, fake courses, a guy who has made it and now, wears a Rolex watch and drives a Lambo. It's very, very common. The internet is flooded with it, and the Gen Z specifically, they believe it and they go in. But unfortunately, the odds are stacked against you in that market. And because of the barrier, like the barriers have gotten like much lower to get into trading. We have, you can start off with just $5 in crypto and you can start trying it. And sometimes it happens, the beginner's luck. You would try a few trades and oh my God, they exploded. And people start believing that they can actually pull this off.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, and I think we read a study about it. It is the very well-known effect called above average effect, where an average person would always think that he's above average, and 95% of people are prone to that particular bias. Unfortunately, when it comes to trading, that bias is causing people to lose money because everybody thinks they can make it. They think they can overcome the odds. They are going to be these 10%. They're going to be this 1% who makes immense amount of wealth through trading, which is unfortunately not the case. And the people are left in big despair after this journey is over for them. One more reason is that currently, especially in Western countries, the wages really lag behind costs. So sometimes something like trading, which is a bit of a more risky endeavor, seems like a more lucrative opportunities for people to make money versus just working for the same wage and seeing the inflation going up. So many see this as a chance and they join in.